Everybody, welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in the last class, we were discussing the chapter coordinate geometry. As we know that in this chapter, we have three important concepts. Among these three, we discussed the first two. They are, one is distance formula, second one is section formula, and third one, it is area of triangle, which is yet to be discussed. But still we have some more important problems on section formula. Let's go for continuing to solve them. And before that, once we shall recall all these important formula with respect to distance. We know that distance formula is used to find out the distance between any 2 points without using the scale, right? And what is the distance formula? It is d equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. If you want to find out the distance of the point from the origin, then we use another formula, that is d equal to square root of x square plus y square. Using this formula, we solved many problems, including some of the applications as well. With respect to applications, we have come to know how to check whether the given points are collinear or not, right? Then, after that, we checked when 3 points are given whether triangle is formed or not. If the triangle is formed, then we decided what type of triangle it is. Is it not? And third one is, when 4 points are given, obviously the quadrilateral is formed. When quadrilateral is formed, we learned what type of quadrilateral it is. So these are the three important applications. In addition with that, another very important statement is, if the given point is equidistant from other two given points, then we found out the relationship between x and y. You all remember these? Next. And the next formula, it is section formula. This formula is used to find out the coordinates of the point which divides the given line in the given ratio. Then if the ratio is taken as m1 and m2 and 2 points as x1 y1 and x2 y2, then we can use the formula x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m. Similarly, y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m. And this is for internal division. For external division, just we go for changing the sign, right? Then, and if the point divides the given line into 2 equal parts, then we call that point as midpoint. Then how do you find out the coordinates of the midpoint? Using the midpoint formula, that is x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 y2 and y1 plus y2 y2, right? And with respect to these, yesterday we were solving the problems, and the last one was, it is with respect to parallelogram, right? Now let's focus on some more problems on section formula only. Please go for writing. It is the problem ninth one, right? Ninth one, put double star mark. This was given in the examination as well. The question is, if A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P, such that AP it is equal to 3/7 of AB, and P lies on the line segment AB. Hope you have understood the statement. This was same question was given in the examination. Now just let me give you the hint with respect to this statement with a rough diagram. Just observe it. Stop writing. It has been given that AB is a line segment. So let me draw that. AB is a line segment. And there is a point P on the line AB. There, we know the coordinates of both A and B. See, A is present -2, -2, and B is 2, -4. Then find the coordinates of P such that AB equal to 3/7 AB.
Sir, unmute your audio. Sir, unmute your audio.
We are going to find out the coordinates of P. To find out that, we need to know the ratio. That is AP is to PB. Have you given AP is to PB?
3:7.
We have given AP and
P is to 7.
Yes. Do you say that it is 3:7? You can't. We want AP is to PB, not AP is to AB. Here, they are given 3/7 of AB. So using this statement, let's find out the ratio. Just look here. Don't copy. Here, AP is equal to 3/7 AB. Then if I go for cross multiplying, it will be 7 times AP, which is equal to 3 times AB. Whereas AB, it is the sum of these two parts. What are those? AP
plus
and
P.
PB. So here I write 3 times AP plus PB, which is equal to, now multiply, it is 3 times AP plus 3 times PB. Then that's equal to 7 AP. Transfer that to the left hand side. It is -3 AP, 7 AP minus 3 AP,
4 AP.
4 times
4 AP is equal to 3.
equal to 3 times PB. Now we want the ratio AP by PB. It's equal to
3/4.
it is 3 by 4. Nothing but 3:4. Did you understand? So this is the ratio.
Yes.
It is very simple to understand. Look here. Out of 7 parts, total 7 parts are there. Out of that, 3 is of AP. AP 3 items in the remaining part.
4.
Total parts 7. Out of that, AP is 3. Remaining
4.
So it is 3:4. Got it? Adne, with calculation, we have shown that. Got it? We know the points A and B as well as the ratio. Then now we can find out the coordinates of P. Yes, right. Start writing with me.
Today date 12, sir.
Data. Yes, how much you got?
Sir, today date 12.
Sir, today date is 12, sir.
Right. A of -2 comma -2. I take this as x1 y1. Next, B of 2 comma -4 as x2 y2. Then AP has been given, right? 3/7 AB. Now continue this. Copy the same. On cross multiply 7 times AB plus equal to 3 times AB. Give substitution for AB. Multiply. Then simplify. You'll get AP by PB equal to 3/4. It is nothing but M1 is to M. 3:4. That's equal to M1 is to M. Now let us find out the coordinates of P. Which formula should be used?
Section formula.
Section formula. Right down. Calculation. Calculation by section formula. Here, P of x comma y, which is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. This is equal to, here, let us substitute M1 and M2, where M1 is 3 and M2 is 4, right? 3 into plus 4 into by 3 plus 4. Again, 3 into plus 4 into by 3 plus 4. Substitute. Here, x2 x1, 2 minus 2. Next, y2 y1, minus 4 minus 2. Shankar, are you writing? Minus 4 minus 2. Now simplify. Here 3 2s are 6. Here 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus 8 plus 6, minus 5, 7. Here 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus 20, 5, 7. Have you got the same? Conclusion. Therefore, the coordinates of P is -2/7, comma, -20/7. Alright. Next one. 10. One. Right. Again from NCERT text only. Find the coordinates of point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle. AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1, 4. Hope that you are finding this is easy. Tushar, did you understand the statement? Chandana is Pawan, Sneha AP. Okay. Shankar, Drupadesh, Achar, Rajat, Vikas, Vijay, Purush Chandra, Hitesh Kumar. Understood? Then if so, you just go on writing with. Before that, once you go through the step, find the coordinates of the point A where AB is a diameter of a circle. So which geometrical figure should be drawn? Circle. Just draw the circle on the right side. Draw a circle. Have you drawn? Then mark its center. And we want the diameter. Name the diameter as AB. A and this is B. Here it has been given that B is 1, 4. I'm writing that. 1, 4. And the center is 2, -3. This is O. 2, -3. We want coordinates of A. How do you go for finding? Section formula.
X1, no sir. X1
Sir,
plus X point
the
formula.
ratio is 1. Ratio is 1, sir.
Here,
Next
you know
one,
that
sir.
point of the circle is nothing but it is the midpoint of
Point of the AB.
the diameter AB. The distance from O to A is radius. O to B, that is also radius. Both are radii. Hence, we can go for using midpoint formula. Followed? Have you followed? Here,
Sir.
x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. This is x, y. Right? Right. B of 1, 4. You call it. Idune ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x1, y1 ತಗೊಂಡು. x1, y1. Then O of 2, -3. It is nothing but x, y. A is equal to x2, y2, which is going to be found out. Calculation. Here I'm right. AO equal to BO. What is the reason?
Both are
They
radial.
are radii of the same circle. Right.
Sir, X1 equals to 3 and Y1 equals to 10, sir.
Let me see.
Minus 10, sir.
Same circle. Then as these two are radii, then O will be the midpoint of AB. Right. Therefore, O is the midpoint of AB. Now we can go for using the midpoint formula. Before writing midpoint formula, without fail, you have to write this. Okay, if you want to use the midpoint formula, there must be midpoint. And you have to show that also. So, because of that, we have written these two sentences. Now, here am I. By midpoint formula. Right. It is x, y, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Then y1 plus y2 by 2. Where x, y is known, that is the center of the circle. 2, -3. Here I am writing 2, -3, which is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 it is 1. x2 is unknown. So 1 plus x2 by 2. Then y1 plus y2. y1 is 4. y2 is unknown. Right. 4 plus y2 by 2. Now let's go for simplify. Right. Here 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3 is equal to further simplification. Listen, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ simplify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So to find out x2, we have to equate x coordinate. To find out y2, let us equate y coordinates. Right. On equating x coordinates, then here I write 1 plus x2 by 2. 1 plus x2 by 2, that is equal to 2. Yes, I've written the same. Then 1 plus x2 is equal to, go for cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4. x2 is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let us go for equating y coordinates. Here, I'm right. On equating y coordinates, right? 4 plus y2 by 2. 4 plus y2 by 2, that's equal to minus 2. Then 4
Minus 10.
by 2 is equal to, cross multiply, minus 6. Then y2 is equal to, I'm transferring 4 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4. Then minus 6 minus 4 is minus 2. Should go on writing with me. Then, therefore, the coordinates of the point A, the coordinates of
3 comma minus 10.
A, nothing but x2, y2. x2, y2, A. 3 comma minus 2. Ora? We have a little bit one lengthy statement. Even this was given in the examination as well. Now let me give you the same. Right. It is 11th one. Samudra. Now it is 11th one. Right. To conduct sports day activities. To conduct sports day activities. Please go on writing with me, don't be lagging. Activities. In your rectangular shaped school ground. In your rectangular shaped school ground. It has been named as ABC. School ground ABCD. Put comma. Lines have been drawn with the chalk powder. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder. Chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. The distance of 1 meter each Full stop. 100 flower pots have been placed. 100 flower pots have been placed. Have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. At a distance of 1 meter from each other. Along AD. Full stop. Right. Next sentence of Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. 1/4 the distance AD on the second line. And posts a green flag. Next, another point. So I am making these as point. It is easy for understanding. Then Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD. Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line. And post a red flag. Full stop. Now you're right. Some questions are given. What is the distance between both the flags? What is the distance between both the flags? Question mark? Right. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag, that's fine. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag, exactly halfway between, halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. The line segment joining the two flags. Would come up. Where should she post her flag? Is it not simple? Sentence is, of course, it is lengthy, but you can understand in a simplest way. Look here, please don't write. Stop writing and look at the book. Here, it has been given that a rectangular shaped school ground and it is named as ABCD. You know, this is ABCD. Next, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Followed lines 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. What is the distance between the two lines?
1 meter.
1 meter.
A meter.
From here, 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, then the 1 meter is there. Next, 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. See that this is the line AD. Belludi. Belludi. Amruta is Belludi. Look here. Here we have placed the flower pots. What is the distance between the two parts? 1 meter. From A to D, how much it is? 100 meter.
100.
Because we have placed 100 parts in the count part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, up to 100 parts. So the length of AD is 100 meter. Now, observe. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. What is AD? 100 meter. Niharika, she will cover a distance of 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of AD andre 1/4 into 100.
25. 25.
How much? 25 meter.
5.
On second line, alwa? Second line and move after. Then how do you represent it? A pair of algebraic numbers. It represent for 3. She has moved in the second line.
2,25, sir.
2,25. alwa? Second line and move after. And she covers a distance of 25 meter. There she will go for posting a green flag. So I'll write it is 2,25. Got it? Ishka? Did you understand? Yes.
Sir, repeat on, sir.
Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. The distance of AD is 100. Otherwise 1/4. So that can be written as 1/4 into 100. So 4 ones are 4, 25. And she moves on second line. Hence we can write it as 2,25, which means in the second line she has covered a distance of 25 meter and has posted green flag. Idu aitu. Next, Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD. Hangadre, what is the distance covered by Preet? Very good.
25 fifth into 100.
100 andre it is 20 meter. On
Okay.
which
8,
line you move?
is the coordinates.
Eighth line. Eighth line and move after. So
8,20. 8,20.
20. And he has posted
Blue
red
flag.
color. Sound out? Look here. Preet has moved on the 8th line and covers a distance of 20 meter. After this, at that place, we will go for placing red color flag. Next, come to the question. What is the distance between both the flags? That is green to red flag. How do you find out? By using distance form. Then if Rashmi has to post a blue color flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Under join the line. She has to move exactly halfway between.
Midpoint formula.
You'll go for finding the midpoint of these two. Start with that. 2 plus 8. 10. 10 by 2. 5.
5.
Fifth liner move on. Arrow. Rashmi has to move on fifth line. How much distance she has to cover to post the flag?
We find out, sir.
25 plus
45.
20. 45 by 2.
22.
22.5.
22.5.
22.5.
Rashmi has to move on fifth line and must cover a distance of
2.5.
2.5 meter to post the flag, that is blue color flag. Got it? Is it not easy?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go for right. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? For your reference, on your right side, you draw the figure. Right side, just draw one. You don't need to show 100 meter. Just you have to draw few lines only in few parts. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, enough. Here parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I name this as A, B, C, D, rectangular field. Right, A, B, this is C, and this D. These are the lines. I'm going to mark these lines as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And you can also show the distance between two lines is 1 meter. Next, we have to place the parts. 3 parts. Enough. What is the distance between two parts? That is also 1 meter.
1 meter.
How many parts? 100 parts.
100 pot.
Right. Done. What is ABCD?
Rectangular field.
A rectangular field. Rectangular field. Now, we already distance distance between two lines 1 meter, distance between 2 points, sorry, 2 parts 1 meter. But we know the total number of parts. Total number of parts it's equal to 100. As the distance between two parts is 1 meter, distance from A to D, that is 100 parts. How much? 100 meter. Is to correct. Now let's move on to calculation. First, what? We have to find out the distance covered by Niharika to post green flag. Right. Distance covered by Niharika. Niharika. It is 1/4 of AD. It is 1/4 of 100 meter. It is equal to 25 meter. On which line she has moved? Second line. Right, line on which Niharika move, that's equal to second. Next, position of green flag. Yellow ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Position of green flag, that's equal to second line 25 meter 2,5 this time. Next, with respect to breathe, this is the problem which includes both the concepts, distance formula as well as section formula. midpoint formula. Here I am writing with respect to breathe. Right. Distance covered. Distance covered by breathe is equal to 1/5 of 100 meter, nothing but it is 20 meter. On which line he has moved? 8th line.
Eighth line.
Line on which breathe move. It is 8th line. Then which color flag he has posted? Red color. So we have to write position of red flag. Get it bigger. 8,
8,20.
you know what is the distance between the two flags? Means distance between green flag and red flag. Right. Distance between green and red flags. Without fail, you have to write the distance formula. We know that d is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, x1 x2 2 minus 8 whole square plus y1 minus y2 25 minus 20 whole square, which is equal to square root of 2 minus 8 minus 6 whole square 36. 25 minus 20 5 square 25. And student root 61. That is the distance. Now, let us write the conclusion. D equal to square root of 61 units. Then Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining green and red. Then where should she has to post the blue color flag? We all know that the position of blue color flag is, it is exactly halfway between those two. That is midpoint of green and red. Right. Position of blue flag is the midpoint of green and red flag. Green and red flags distance. So here we have to use midpoint form, right? By midpoint formula. Use that. It is x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Finally, x1 plus x2 2 plus 8 by 2, y1 plus y2 25 plus 20 by 2. It's equal to 5, and this is 22.5. It is position of blue color flag. Now, let us write the conclusion. What is the first conclusion? The distance between green flag and red
Flag.
flag is root 61 units. Right. Therefore, the distance between green flag and red flag is square root of 61 unit. Next. Position alone. Our input is where should Rashmi has to post the blue color flag. Right. Rashmi has to post the blue flag on which line? Huh? On fifth line. Right? At a distance of 22.5 meters. Conclusion is must. Over. Next, another one. And this has also been given in the examination. Usually, this type problem, that is Niharika, Preet and Rashmi problem, can be asked in MCQ as well. A statement as to, particularly this year they have introduced the case study method. Like in the last year, hope you might have known case study. Still I have not yet given the information regarding case study. Once now discuss how the questions will be framed on case study concept and how will be the questions and how to answer those questions. Will be simple. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Andano. Vanita, Aditya, Siddharth, Samiksha, Purvi, Aditya D, okay. Suman, Adarsh, Adil Malik, Chaya B, Sohail, Prajwal A, right. Arya Yella, Varsha MS, Vasavana Gowda, Madhavi Churi, yes. Nilesh, Karthik Q, right. Suchit, okay, right. Firdaus. Now, let's move on to another one. Please put 3 stars. This 12th one, no? Right. 12th one. As I said, go for 3 stars. Very important one. The statement is also very nice. Right. Determine the ratio. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Hope you have understood this. It's a linear equation in 2 variables, right? What is the nature of graph of linear equation in 2 variables?
Straight line.
Parallel, sir.
Quadratic equation, straight line.
Parabola.
Parabola is a quadratic equation. Linear equation, it is a straight line.
Straight line.
Right line.
Which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points. The line segment joining the points. A are 2 comma minus 2 and B are 3 comma 7. This can also be expected in MCQ. Particularly in applied based MCQ questions, they'll give you the questions from 2 marks, 3 marks, even 4 marks questions. Are it either select ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ MCQ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. There you need to save the time by using the tricks. I'll tell you that later. Just we should focus on this. Okay, you are going to find out the ratio in which this line will divide the another line which is formed by joining these 2 points, 2 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 7. This is a general drama. What are these?
X-axis, Y-axis.
X-axis and Y-axis. Here, 3 comma 7. In which quadrant does it lie?
First quadrant.
First quadrant.
3 comma 7. Call it as point B. Next,
Fourth quadrant, sir.
Fourth quadrant, sir.
it comes in
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
in 1. 2 comma minus 2. This is the line. Actually, this line is divided by which
Sir,
line?
they are just 2 lines, no, sir.
Huh? X-axis.
They are just 2 lines.
This line is divided by 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. You will draw the graph of this equation. Graph idella. Let us assume that this is the graph of 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now this line has divided AB in some ratio. We have to find out this ratio. I call this point as P and the coordinate. Now could you tell what we have to find out?
M1 and M2.
M1, M2.
PA.
PP is to PA.
PP is to PA. Aduna find out one. So AP is to BP. Clear up?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the meaning of the statement.
Yes, sir.
But how to find out that?
By
Ratio is unknown. Alva? Let us go for assuming this ratio as K is to 1 at the top.
by section formula.
By using section formula, you will get coordinates of P, that is x comma y. After getting that, then you substitute both x coordinate and y coordinate in this equation. You will get the value of K. Then that will be the ratio. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Copy the same for your reference. K is 2. No problem. It is not mandatory to draw the figure, only for the sake of understanding. You can copy this. Over up. Right, the dot. Right. Equation of a line that is 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Then they are given A of 2 comma minus 2. You may call it as x1 y1. And B of 3 comma 7. You may call it as x2 y1. And ratio, we do not know that. Let M1 is to M2. Let it be K is to 1. Calculate. This ratio should be found out. Which formula should be used?
Section formula.
Section formula. Nidhishri, could you tell? Karan, could you tell the section formula? Prashant sir, you may give chance to him. Prashant sir, can you hear me?
Sir,
Why?
already mic is unmuted, sir.
Section formula. That is, x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Have you written? Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shivkumar, have you written? Next. Let us substitute. What is x comma y? That is unknown. We have to write this as it is. Equal to. Now, let us go for substituting first. M1 and M2. What is M1?
A.
M2.
1.
One.
K into plus 1 into y. K plus 1. Aditi, yes. Are you following? Aditi, yes. From Chetna Olympiad. Okay. Then Spurti BR. Spurti BR. Right. Y coordinate. It is again K into plus 1 into y. K plus 1. Then substitute x2, x1. x2, x1. Yeah, 3 and 2. 3. This is 2. Next. 7 and minus 2.
7 minus 2.
7 minus 2. It is equal. It is 3k plus 2 y. K plus 1. Next. 7k minus 2 y. K plus 1. So from this we can write x and y. Right. X equal to 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 and y equal to 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. Now let us go for substituting both in the equation. It has been written on equating x coordinate and y coordinate. Now we are going to substitute both x and y in the equation. Right. Substitute x and y in the equation. 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Right. 2 into where x is 3k plus 2 by k plus 1 plus y is 7k minus 2 by k plus 1. Then minus 4 equal to 0. You get it? Observe the LCM of the denominator. What do you say? K plus 1. So
K plus
Same.
LCM of all the denominators. See the k plus 1, and 1 and 1. It is k plus 1. Let us multiply k plus 1 with all the terms. Right. Multiply k plus 1 on both the sides. Okay, first term. First term. 2 into 3k plus 2. Again, k plus 1 and you multiply by both get cancelled. Plus. Rajat, are you understanding? Multiply k plus 1 with the second term. Get cancelled, remaining 7k minus 2. Multiply k plus 1 with the third term. It is minus 4 into k plus 1. It is equal to multiply k plus 1 with the 0. You will get 0. Simplify this. It is 6k plus 2 2s are 4. 7k minus 2 as it is. 7k minus 2. Minus 4 into k. Minus 4. Minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 equal to 0. I can have.
Ratio is 2:7, sir.
Sir, 2:9, sir.
2 by 9 baro.
2:9, sir.
2:9, sir.
Here 6k plus 7k. 13k. 13k minus
13K.
4k. 9k. 4 minus 4 get cancelled. Transfer minus 2 to the right hand side. Plus 2. K equal to 2 by 9. And the ratio will be 2:9. We are same. Yes. Now it is 2:9. Earlier it was right. Therefore, the required ratio is 2:9. It was given in the examination. Please do remember. One. Still many are there in CRT text only. Let's go for solving later. Now we'll focus on few additionals again. A few additionals which were given in the examination. I'll take these additions. Right. The example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Just write the side heading additionals. Additionals. That first one. It was given in the year 2013. 2013. 2015. 17, 19 and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Probably 21 and ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Right. If P and Q, if P and Q are 2 points 2 points whose coordinates are right, a t square, 2a, and one more point, a by t square, 2a by t, respectively. So check that, at square, 2at, a by t square, 2a by t, respectively. And yes is a point, a comma 0. Full stop. Show that 1 by sp plus 1 by sq is independent of t. Is independent of t. Did you understand the statement? Artha aitha nama? Suraj, Vijay. Did you understand? Yes sir, no sir. Yamadun accept not understood.
No, sir.
Simple one it is. We know that it is the coordinates of P, right? This is coordinates of Q. What about this? Coordinates of, yes, Palati, look here. Rahul Palati. Dheeraj.
Yes, sir.
Dheeraj. Not Chinmay. Jai Kishan. Look at the book. We have to show that this statement is independent of T. A statement T term
should not be there.
T should not be there. Got it? That's the meaning. Here, S has the coordinates a comma 0, P. We know that. SP. How do you find out SP? By using distance formula. Then XQ. Distance formula. Then you substitute that here and you simplify. After simplifying, you'll get a statement. In that statement, T will not be there. Did you understand?
Sir.
Now, let's go for solving.
Sir, once
Right.
again tell, sir.
I'll tell that. Go on writing with me. While writing only, I'll go for explaining. First, they have given the coordinates of P. It is a t square, then 2a. Coordinates of Q is given. It is a by t square, 2a by t. Coordinates of S is given. It is a comma 0. This is data. To prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove that 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of T. Means when you find out the value of 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ, there should not be T. We want SP. We know the coordinates of both S and P. To find out SP, we can go for using ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ರೈಟ್ prove in that we know that what do you know distance formula that is equal to it is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now let us find out one by one. Preeti came along. Your name? Pragna. Your? Akshata. Akshata. First, let's find out SP. How to find out? Yes, ಇದೆ. Then P ಇದೆ. X1 minus X2. ಬೇಗ.
80 square minus
A minus 80 square minus A by T square.
A minus 80 square. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ A minus x1 x2 is A minus 80 square
Whole square.
plus y1 minus y2
0 minus 280 whole square.
whole square 0 minus 280 whole square it is equal to how to simplify by using the identity. Which identity?
A minus B whole square.
A minus B whole square.
Whole square.
What it is?
A square plus B square minus 2AB.
Minus 2AB. A square
Minus 280.
is A whole square is nothing but A square plus B square. It is bigger.
80 square.
Okay.
80 is whole square.
Next it.
Plus
Minus 2AB
2.
minus 2. It is
A square T square.
A square plus
2AB then plus minus 280 whole square
480 whole square.
480
A
whole
square T square.
square.
Any doubt? If yes, please ask me. No doubt. Now let's continue. Answer US search for. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಈಗ 0 minus 2 whole square ಇದ್ರೆ 0 square plus 2 whole square like this minus 2 AB 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ 0 into anything is 0 hence only B square ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ B square ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 minus 2 whole square ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 0 minus 2 whole square is 4 in the same way 0 minus 280 is minus 280. Minus 280 whole square is 4
4
A
square T
square. Yes. Now simplify. A square plus it is A T square whole square. Should ask me the question, sir, why you are not simplifying this?
Because square and square root can be cancelled.
Cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇದು cancel ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು okay we can express the whole statement in square form
Identity can.
yes sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 a square t square minus 2
plus 2 A square T square sir.
A square plus 80 square whole square. A square plus 80 square whole square.
followed it is equal ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. a whole square plus b whole square plus 2ab. Does it make any difference? 2 a square, a into a square, t square. Now it is exactly of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus
Plus
b,
b whole.
that is a plus at square whole square. Now it is perfect square. You may
Square and
go for cancelling square and root. Now this is equal to a plus at square. Any doubt? This is sp. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. a into 1 plus t square. Now let's go for finding sq. Right with sq is here a minus a by t square whole square plus 0 minus 2a by t whole square. 0 minus 2a by t whole square. It's equal to Deepashri KJ. Understanding? Pratiksha? Chinmay K. Belluri? Prarthana? Are you understanding? Okay. Charan? Charan? Okay. Right. Now, let's continue. This is equal to square root of a square plus a by t square whole square plus 2a, sorry, minus 2ab. Followed? This is what?
Plus
It is plus it is. This is 0 minus 2a by t, 2a by minus 2a by t whole square, 4 a square by t square. Here on right. It is equal to square root of a square plus a by t square whole square as it is. You know, minus 2a square by t square plus 4a square by t square
Plus 2a square by t square.
plus 2a square by t square. You directly bring plus 2a square by t square bರುತ್ತೆ, and this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as
A plus a by t square whole square.
a plus a by t square whole square. Square and root get cancelled.
SQ is a plus a by t square.
A plus a by t square. This is SQ. Now let's go for finding 1 by SP plus 1 by S. Right. 1 by SP plus 1 by S. 1 by what is SP?
a plus a t square.
A
A
plus
plus a t square.
plus you know the t square plus a. 1 by SQ.
A t square plus a by t square.
A t square plus a by t square. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
It's equal to 1 by a plus at square. Now take the reciprocal. T square by a plus at square, right? It is equal to a plus at square is LCM. 1 plus t square. Any doubt? Please ask me. Any doubts are there? Now, numerator
No, sir.
1 plus t square, denominator it is. Denominator.
A common, sir. A common.
A is common. 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. It cancels. It is equal to 1 by a. The value of 1 by sp plus 1 by sq is 1 by a.
1 by a.
T, no, we can write E is independent of T. MCQ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. The same question, option A. 1 by A is independent of T. 1 by A square is independent of T. Just A is independent of T. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡೋ chances ಇದೆ. Hence it is more. They have some more applied questions, and you all know that today you have online performance test. It will be conducted in the evening from 7 to 7:40, and syllabus I have already given you. What is that? Only coordinate geometry. Got it? Only coordinate geometry. And tomorrow we shall go for continuing the same chapter. Prashant sir,